In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to connect Google Authenticator to your Bybit account for added security. First, log in to your Bybit account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile icon and head to Account and Security Settings. Under the Security section, look for Google Authenticator and click on Enable to start the setup process. Now open the Google Authenticator app on your phone. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Back on Bybit, you'll see a QR code and a 16-digit key. In your Google Authenticator app, tap the plus button to add a new account. Then either scan the QR code or enter the key manually. Once you've added Bybit to Google Authenticator, the app will then generate a 6-digit code. Enter that code back on the Bybit website to complete the setup. After entering the code, click Confirm and you're all set. Google Authenticator is now connected to your Bybit account for two-factor authentication. And that's it. You've successfully secured your Bybit account with Google Authenticator.